ಪರಮ ಪೂಜ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಜಗದ್ಗುರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನಿರ್ಮಲಾನಂದನಾಥ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿಯವರ ಪಾದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ನಾಡೋಜ ಪರಮ ಪೂಜ್ಯ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಸವಲಿಂಗ ಪಟ್ಟದೇವರು ಇವರ ಪಾದಕ್ಕೂ ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಚನ್ನವೀರ ಶಿವಾಚಾರ್ಯ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿಯವರೇ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶಿವಾನಂದ ಮಹಾಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿಯವರೇ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಗಂಗಾಂಬಿಕಾ ಅಕ್ಕ, ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಬಸವಗಿರಿ ಬೀದರ್ ಇವರೇ, ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಶೈಲಿಯ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಸೀನರಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಾದ ಈಶ್ವರ ಖಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರೆ, MLA ಬಸವ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಶರಣು ಸಲಗಾರ್ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ವಿನರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ವಿಶ್ವ ಬಸವ ಧರ್ಮ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್, ಅನುಭವ ಮಂಟಪ, ಬಸವ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ್, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, members of the media, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. In the 46th Sharana Kammata and Anubhava Mantapa Festival 2025, here today at Basava Kalyan in Bidar district. Indian culture is amongst the greatest cultures in the world. ಭಾರತೀಯ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ವಿಶ್ವದಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದು ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ. Among the great personalities who enrich this culture, the Sharana saints of 12th century, led by Basavanna, made an extraordinary contribution. In the world history, the Middle Ages are known as a period of darkness, right? In such a time, a great soul like Vishwaguru Basaveshwara was born in the land of Karnataka, in our land. He united hard-working people from all communities at a time when the world had not even imagined democracy. ಪ್ರಜಾಪ್ರಭುತ್ವ ಏನಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಆವಾಗ 12ನೇ ಶತಮಾನದಲ್ಲಿ. ವಿಶ್ವಗುರು ಬಸವಣ್ಣ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಬೈ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷಿಂಗ್ ದ ಅನುಭವ ಮಂಟಪ. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಕ್ಲೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಾವು ನಮ್ದೇ ಪ್ರಜಾಪ್ರಭುತ್ವ ಪ್ರಪ್ರಥಮ ಅಂತ, ಬಟ್ ಖಂಡಿತ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅನುಭವ ಮಂಟಪ 770 Sharanas, both men and women, were given complete freedom without any discrimination of caste, religion, color, class or gender. ಇವಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಖಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು, ಇವಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಈ ಮಾತನ್ನು. All of them sat together on one platform, discussed their experiences and created Vachana literature. The Vachanas that came from their experiences continue to guide us towards global peace and prosperity. The Sharana movement led by Basavanna attracted followers from all castes and produced Vachanas that expressed the spiritual world of Veerashaiva saints. Basavanna's radical egalitarian principles led to the establishment of the Anubhava Mantapa, where Sharanas from diverse communities gathered to learn and engage in discussions. Anubhava Mantapa, the spiritual and intellectual democratic platform founded by Basavanna in the 12th century, is recognized as the world's first religious parliament. It is called the first parliament because it was established as an open platform for all individuals to freely express their thoughts and ideas, to discuss and share ideas on social and spiritual issues and ethical concerns. Anubhava Mantapa was a cradle for Vachana literature that was instrumental in spreading the religious and philosophical thoughts of Veerashaivism. Basavanna envisioned a society rooted in freedom, equality, rationality, and brotherhood, laying the foundation for a more inclusive and harmonious social order. His contributions include promoting socio-reforms that challenge traditional hierarchies and fostering inclusivity, along with literary works that shaped and spread Veerashaiva philosophy. Basavanna introduced several social reforms that continue to resonate even today, offering guidance on how one should live an ideal life based on his teachings. He firmly opposed gender and social discrimination, along with the prevalent superstitions and rituals of his time. He emphasized the equality of all individuals, regardless of caste, and acknowledged the value of all forms of manual labor. As the Prime Minister of the Kalyana Kingdom, Basavanna shaped his state into one based on equality. During his administration, there was not a single war. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಯುದ್ಧ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Vachana literature is gaining recognition across the world because it contains values that offer solutions to global problems. Messages like Kayakave Kailasa, work is worship. Compassion is the root of religion. ಬಸವಣ್ಣವರು ಹೇಳಿರೋ ಮಾತು ಇದು. ದಯವೇ ಧರ್ಮದ ಮೂಲವಯ್ಯ. Compassion is the root of religion. Good conduct is heaven, bad conduct is hell. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಚಾರವೇ ಸ್ವರ್ಗ, ಅನಾಚಾರವೇ ನರಕ. Wish well for all living beings. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಕಲ ಜೀವಾತ್ಮರಿಗೆ ಲೇಸಾಗಲಿ. Made the Kalyana Revolution one of the most unique moments in the world history. ಬಂಧುಗಳೇ, ಇವತ್ತು ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ಅಶಾಂತಿ, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, ಕೇಸಸ್, ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ಸ್, ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಬಹುಶಃ ನಾವು ಬಸವಣ್ಣ ಹೇಳಿದ 7 ಬೇಡಗಳು ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, 7 ಬೇಡಗಳು, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪಾಲಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಬೇಡ, ಯಾವ ಕೋರ್ಟು ಬೇಡ, ಏನೂ ಬೇಡ. ಕಳಬೇಡ, ಕೊಲಬೇಡ, ಹುಸಿಯ ನುಡಿಯಲು ಬೇಡ, ಮುನಿಯಬೇಡ, ಅನ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಅಸಹ್ಯ ಪಡಬೇಡ, ತನ್ನ ಬಣ್ಣಿಸಬೇಡ, ಇದರ ಹಳಿಯಲು ಬೇಡ. ಇದೇ ಅಂತರಂಗ ಶುದ್ಧಿ, ಇದೇ ಬಹಿರಂಗ ಶುದ್ಧಿ, ಇದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮ ದೇವರು ನಮಿಸುವ ಪರಿ. ಇದೇನು ಅಂತರಂಗ ಶುದ್ಧಿ ಬಹಿರಂಗ ಶುದ್ಧಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ ಹಿಮಾಲಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೇವೆ, ಏನು ಬೇಡ ಸರ್. ಈ 7 ಬೇಡಗಳನ್ನು ಪಾಲಿಸೋಣ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ. ಬಹಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ದೇವರನ್ನು ಹೋಲಿಸಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಇದನ್ನು ಪರಿಪಾಲಿಸೋಣ ಸಾಕು. Several philosophers and leaders have said great things about Guru Basavanna. Out of them, I would like to mention here the following 2 quotations. ಇದು ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧಿಯವರು ಹೇಳಿದ ಮಾತು. It has not been possible for me to practice all the precepts of Guru Basava which he taught 800 years ago and which he also practiced. I have adopted a few of them. I am yet a seeker in this aspect and not an accomplished one. Mahatma Gandhi ಅವರು ಹೇಳೋದು ಮಾತು ಇದು. Had Basava lived during our times, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ರೆ, he would have been a saint worthy of worship. If you, his followers, practice his precepts, you could uplift not just Bharat, but the whole world. Dr. Abdul Kalam Sahib ಅವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕೇಳೋಣ. To be successful in life, you just follow one vachana or one philosophy of Lord Basava, you will come out with flying colors in life and you will meet the objective of taking birth on earth. Dr. Abdul Kalam ಹೇಳಿರೋ ಮಾತು. To spread these values among the people, the revered Dr. Channabasava Pattadevaru of Bhakti Hiremata started Sharana Kammata 45 years ago. Today, the present Anubhava Mantapa's president, the respected Nadoja, Dr. Basavalinga Pattadevaru Swamiji, is taking this mission to the national and international level. His Holiness, respected Nadoja, Dr. Basavalinga Pattadevaru Swamiji has brought an educational revolution to this region. Along with this, he has made great contributions in the socio-religious and literary fields, not only in Karnataka, but also in the neighboring states of Maharashtra, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. He is spreading Basavanna's message by publishing Sharana literature in Marathi, Telugu and Hindi. This is a historic effort that has helped people outside Karnataka understand Basavanna's revolution. With the support of devotees of this region, his service in building the new Anubhava Mantapa is unforgettable. On this land where Sharanas offer great sacrifice, he has taken the noble vow to establish a Vachana University. His successor, Pujya Shri Guru Basava Pattadevaru Swamiji, is an active and dedicated leader, serving tirelessly like mercury in constant motion. His social concern, commitment to spreading Basava philosophy, and his energetic work are truly admirable and worthy of imitation. With his strength of action, he is continuously working to fulfill the great vision of the senior seer. Under the guidance of these two revered leaders, it is our proud belief that this Anubhava Mantapa festival will become a national platform that promotes global peace and prosperity. It really gives me great happiness to inaugurate this event. If all of us practice the values of Basaveshwara and all Sharanas in every field, our nation will truly become a Kalyana Rajya, a land of well-being. I hope this Anubhava Mantapa festival inspires us all to walk in that direction. I congratulate all the winners of various awards presented by Vishwa Basava Dharma Trust, Anubhava Mantapa Basava Kalyan. I thank the organizers for having invited me to participate in this auspicious function. Sharanu Sharanarthi, ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಈ ವಾಹಿನಿಯನ್ನು ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸಲು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಹಾರಕೂಡ SRIHARKOOD ಎಂದು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಚಾನೆಲ್ಗೆ
ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬೆಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಒತ್ತಿರಿ.